Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we'll see how to make onion, ginger and garlic powder. This is the easiest way to make fresh and aromatic spice powder. Hope you will find it easy and simple. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please click the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay connected. Let's get started. Let's check out the ingredients. Half a kilo onion, 250 grams of each ginger and garlic. 250 grams of garlic, peel off the skin and keep it aside. 250 grams of ginger, washed and dried. Peel the skin off using a peeler or a spoon. Half a kilo onion, peel the skin off. I've chopped roughly and kept. You can use a vegetable grater or a blender. Add the peeled garlic into a blender and grind using pulse mode. We want a garlic to be coarse. It's ground coarsely. This is how it should be. Next goes a chopped ginger. Again use pulse mode. Ginger is nice and coarse. Finally, let's grind onion using pulse mode. It's done, nice and coarse. Spread all this evenly on a big plate or a dish. Sun dry them for about 2 to 3 days or until it's nice and crispy. It's been drying for 3 days, dried well and it's light in weight. You can dry them in the oven too for about 4 to 5 hours at 100 to 130 degrees Celsius. You can store it as it is to make quick curries or any dishes. It will come handy when you are in a hurry. The dried ginger into a blender and blend into a fine powder. Dried ginger powder is ready. You can also add this powder to make tea. Put the dried garlic into a blender and grind into a fine powder. Garlic powder is ready. Finally, let's grind the dried onion. Powder is ready, getting a nice aroma. Use them in various dishes. Store all these powders in an airtight container. Definitely you will find a big difference between homemade and store-bought. Keep them in a refrigerator and it will stay good for many months. Keep it away from moisture. Do try this recipe and drop a comment below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share with your family and friends. Thank you all so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Stay safe, stay healthy, happy cooking.